Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar, showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street stocks mostly advanced to start the week as artificial intelligence-related deal-making boosted investor sentiment, even as the US government shutdown extended through its sixth day. Cryptocurrency investment products recorded their highest ever inflows last week, as the US government shutdown fueled a rally in spot crypto markets. Global crypto exchange-traded products recorded $5.95 billion of inflows in the week ending Friday. AMD will supply artificial intelligence chips to OpenAI in a multi-year deal that would bring in tens of billions of dollars in annual revenue and give the ChatGPT creator the option to buy up to roughly 10% of the chip maker.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.